How much do they pay?
Maybe between 30 and 40 an hour.
So what do you do exactly?
Mechanic.
What kind of mechanic?
Black Hawk mechanic. Primarily fighting fire, do utility work.
How do you get into that?
I was trained in the military.
Do you need a specific license?
You need your airframe and power plant license.
How do you get the license?
You gotta have some kind of experience working on aircraft. You apply to get your tickets. Once you have your tickets, you can take the test, oral and practical with the FAA, and they certify you.
Would you recommend this career to other people or no?
I mean, if you wanna have fun all year round,
Are you guys hiring?
yes.
So just go online?
Yes, for
How much is this helicopter worth?
a couple million maybe.
Any cool story or anything interesting?
This is one of the first ones off the production line. It's a 1979 model.
Anything else you want to say about the career or anything in general?
I mean, look where we're at. Hot rods and helos.
Appreciate your time.
Yeah, that's what.
I took a look at the helicopter. I said to
We don't carry crew, but I'm sure they're two into the baskets. You guys don't carry them for the line and all that? No, we can't. I think I could. Not certified.